a key role in the digitization of many industries, and hence they are aware of the changes that are reshaping financial sector and our broader economy. As we navigate the rapidly changing landscape of global economy in general and Pakistani economy in particular, it is imperative that we together identify the key technological and social trends that are not only transforming the banking industry but also the broader economy. With this context, let me share my thoughts on the new technological trends that are not just innovative but are disruptive in nature, and how they are poised to disrupt the existing structure of the financial services industry. I will also like to share my thoughts on the future of banking in Pakistan and how we see it shaping up for the convenience of our people and transformation of the financial sector and the economy. Finally, I will share some of my expectations from our IT industry, especially in view of the changing dynamics of our economy. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the key trends that we have witnessed in the past 2 decades is the rapid and exponential increase in the computing power. Advances in chip technologies and allied software is resulting in the emergence of infrastructure that is much faster and cheaper today than what it was even a decade ago. This, coupled with larger storage and faster telecommunications, has enabled the development of advanced processing systems across industries. The emergence of 5G and quantum computing will further accelerate this development in future. These advancements in computing and telecommunications have resulted in the emergence and rise of cloud computing and associated microservices. This in turn has enabled rapid deployment of software in a cost-effective manner. Furthermore, due to these advancements, we now have mobile phones in our hands that have much faster processing capabilities than most computers of yesterday. These high-performance mobile devices and their apps have changed customer service expectations. Consumers now expect that their needs for new products and services would be immediately identified and met by their financial service providers. In its true meaning, the speed of doing business is now approaching new limits. These mobile devices also generate massive data about consumers and business partners that could then be used to offer even better and more tailored services to the customers. Faster hardware and software have also enabled advanced machine learning and neural network processing. This massive algorithmic processing capability have also resulted in the rapid rise of general purpose artificial intelligence, commonly known as GPT, which was considered a far-fetched dream a few years ago. Artificial intelligence and machine learning process the massive data being generated by mobile devices and give immense insights about customer preferences and requirements not only to financial institutions but to policymakers and government as well. Further, social media applications not only connect consumers, businesses and governments but also enable them to communicate their likes, dislikes, complaints and recommendations in near real time. These technological trends not only enable service providers to offer innovative and customer-made services to their customers, but also provides an excellent opportunity for the governments and regulators to ensure consumer protection, fairness, and appropriate market conduct in real time. Let me say that the overall key function of supervision and oversight is also transforming rapidly. Advanced data collection and processing capabilities is empowering regulators to ensure compliance effectively and efficiently. Today, policy making is an agile process, just like software development. At SBP, our teams work in a collaborative and coordinated manner sometimes even remotely, to ensure that the required regulations are developed and issued in the shortest possible time. Our case processing system is fully based on automated workflow solution that eliminates the need for paper processing and physical file movement. As a result of aforementioned trends, the structure of financial services industry is also rapidly changing. Gone are the days when banking and payments were the exclusive domain of banks. We have already witnessed the emergence of big techs who offer all kinds of services today. They are not only limited to providing cloud or social media services, but have already ventured successfully into entertainment, advertising, gaming, consulting, etc. They are now encroaching, albeit slowly and gradually, into financial services as well. And why not? They have all the right ingredients like big data, faster computation power, and social media access, which enables them to offer financial services as well. The recent emergence and the rise of GPT and other AI-based systems are likely to accelerate this process further. Question is the financial services industry ready for this transformation? Ladies and gentlemen, SBP as a regulator and supervisor of the banking and payment system is keen to promote digital banking and support non-banking fintechs. After identifying these trends, we started working on transforming our financial services industry as well. In 2002, if you recall, SBP became the first bank in Pakistan to implement the Temenos banking solution, which at that time was known as Globus. Simultaneously, we also implemented our ERP system for our non-banking transactions as well as data warehouse for our massive data-related requirements. In 2008, we implemented our real-time gross settlement system, which is called Prism, for processing wholesale, large-value institutional payments. Recently, SBP established its state-of-the-art Tier 3 data center, which is first of its kind in Pakistan. In around the same year, that is 2008, we issued the regulations for branchless banking services to enable the delivery of basic banking services from retail stores and kirana stores. In October 2014, we issued the rules for payment system operators and payment service providers to facilitate the establishment of payment and e-commerce gateway. In 2019, SBP introduced regulations for electronic money institutions to promote the issuance of e-money wallets by non-banking entities. In 2022, SBP issued the framework for establishing digital banks in Pakistan. As a result, in principal approvals were issued to 5 applicants who will shortly start their pilot operations in the country. All these measures were taken to facilitate the entry of IT-enabled non-banking entities in the financial services industry. To modernize our national payment systems, SBP worked with banks to establish OneLink for interlinking ATMs in the country. Later on, OneLink also offered other payment services like the retail, interbank fund transfer, bill payments, and our own domestic payment card, which is called PayPal. In line with international trends, SBP started working on transforming its retail payment industry by implementing the state-of-the-art ISO 20022 payment standard. Hence, RAS, which is our instant payment system, is based on ISO 20022 standard and which was launched in 2021. In a short span of almost 3 years, RAS has processed almost 850 million transactions, valuing over rupees 19 trillion. Today, with 38 million unique RAS IDs, the system